Growing strawberry plants from runners is the easiest and quickest way to propagate strawberries plants. Most of the commonly cultivated varieties of strawberry plants produce runners as a means of propagating themselves. By propagating strawberries from runners you automatically get more strawberry plants for free, and it's so easy. Choose a healthy runner which has produced one or more leaves. You can use any small container or pot filled with multi-purpose compost. Place the strawberry runner on the surface of the pot and hold it in place using a piece of wire. Water it soon. This will make roots and will be a new strawberry plant. Just remember, even if a runner plant looks like it is ready to grow, it is not as well established as its mother plant. So we have to wait as long as the new plant is well rooted. Strawberry plants have the ability to form adventitious roots. These roots are formed at the nodes along the runner, and wherever these roots touch the soil, they will continue to grow into that soil and establish a new clone plant that's genetically identical to the plant that originally sent forth the runner. That's why it's relatively easy to propagate strawberry plants. These flexible parts of the strawberry runners allows them to be bent and positioned according to the desire of the gardener. I found that strawberry propagation by runner is usually the easiest and most successful way of acquiring new plants from existing ones. Happy gardening!